Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Hope all is well. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy Tuesday. I have to use up the Wi-Fi from now because I don't know if later I soon gone again. As yesterday, that's what happened. They're working on something up the road from us. Yeah, so something happened to one of the wire, it seems like, and it's giving like bad connection on my side and I think on everybody else's side who has been affected by it. So with the year gone. We're here. I don't know because I don't know if I them put something on TVJ and CVM. Oh Lord. So how are you guys doing this morning? Hope all is well. Yeah. ANI is here. Yes, these are cute. Oh. Did I look up some clothes last night? Them look nice, you see? Oh Lord. Pan Sheen, yeah, Pan Sheen. Them look really, really nice. Them look nice. Them very, very reasonable as well. Very, very reasonable. Yeah. Yeah, thank God for a new day. Today is Tuesday already. No, I go outside, but I wait till the time come up a little bit more. Because a pair sandfly and them something out there. I can't take no sandfly about me right now. My God. Just open, make it them so them look nice, like how me see them look on the something. Hi, good morning. How are you? Yeah. Silent watchers, big up yourself. Thank you for joining. Happy Tuesday. Hope all is well. Oh Lord. How are you all doing this morning? Good morning. Thank you for joining my live. The other day, internet. Last time I tried to do one live, but the internet wasn't working properly at all. But you know, they said they're working on it, so hopefully them finish work on it now. Something happened to one of the wire out on the main, further up the road from where I am. Hi, good morning. Thank you for liking. How are you? How is your morning? Hope all is well. Is it Hassan? Thank you for joining. Guys, you can also say where you're from. You know, I'm from Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. How are you doing? Same as when we start the live last night. 2 nights at least. Last night and Sunday as well. It never really stay for long because the internet in and out. Yeah. So it will they are going good and then it just gone. Yeah. So it has been like that from like week before last week Friday, and then this week we're gone Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, yesterday. I don't know if it's gonna do the same thing today, because sometimes when it comes up, then after that now it gone. So hopefully them fix it now and it's okay. Yeah. So thank you guys for always supporting A and I. Thank you so much for always showing up for me. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. My goal is still 4,000 subscribers. Yeah. Hope your morning will be great though. If you're going on the job or you're at home, you know, taking your kids to school, or you're going somewhere running some errands and stuff like that. Yeah, hope your day will be great today. You know, we thank God for the beautiful day, yeah, and life as well. He is an amazing God, yeah. So we appreciate everything that He has been doing for us as well. Yeah. So I posted a video yesterday, you know. We have two dogs that are expecting, yes. They are both, you know what, the brown and white one, from long time I always say, you know look like you have no puppy. That me always say, no. I always say to her, say, you know look like you have no puppy. Because her mother got puppy, you know, I think maybe earlier than she. But she get puppy a good while now. Her mother passed away some years now. And this dog now just have puppy now. Just about to have her puppy. I'm telling you, that's God, I would say. Yeah. Because me never know, say, she would have, you know. Yeah. Because Lucy have puppy about maybe 2 or so time or 3 times before she even conceived, you know. So yeah, but she's going to have her puppies now. So guys, we are gonna see how the puppy them look. You know, having young pups at home is it can be very hectic because you have to help take care of the puppy them. You have to help take care of them. You have to see to it that them alright. You have to see to it that she feed them and stuff like that. When they're ready to drink water, you give them water. Bathe them. See to it that them don't have any ticks and flea and them something. Them not get any cuts and all these things as well. Yeah. So it's very, 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 very hectic ones. And then we're gonna have two sets of puppies. I don't know, but I love animals, so I'm excited, you know. Yeah, I love animals, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, all the animal lovers out there like myself, I know you'd be happy for me as well. Yeah, I don't know, I love see the puppy them when them small, and then them can come out now and walk around, but you know, they make a whole heap of noise. They make a whole heap of noise, but them nice. Them nice. Thank you for the like. Thank you for joining, yeah. Just stay here in the morning here, just go and chill, you know. Until I'm ready to go up on the outside. I have some stuff to put on the line. So I gotta go there. Go out there when we finish and do that. catch a little sun before the rain, cause I don't know if the rain is gonna fall. Don't know if the rain is gonna fall. Hope everyone have a great day today. Yesterday, the rain was doing a little bit yesterday evening, but it didn't fall. Oh Lord, didn't fall at all. I think I'm gonna go on the outside and just start put up my stuff them on the line, you know, start getting busy from now. I may have like, look yesterday, I think the rain that go fall, you know, because the sky just looked rainy and there wasn't any sun, so I never get to put out the clothes then. So I'm gonna put them out in the morning, you know. Let them get to dry. Oh Lord. So we'll be going on the outside. When we go outside to the phone, we keep up, because the mind sharp it start overeat. Start overeat. I don't want to start overeat. So whoa. Can hear the parrot. The neighbor next door have a parrot. Can hear the parrot attack. Parrot attack. Hey, stop. Stop now. Guys, me not real. Hey, come down off of me. As me come down. Jesus. Why are you jumping up on me like that? Don't do that. Anytime I come out there and I say she just jump up. Look here. Jump up on Lucy. Jump up on Lucy. Hey, come down. Get. Hey. So I have place for rake up and all these things. Alright, come down. Jeez. You can't give me a break. Alright, come down. Don't tear my clothes in now. Look, man. Jeez. So I have to do some raking up right about now. Because out here so I rake up. Hey, Lucy. That's Lucy. There goes the Q&A. Come down, I mind you scratch me up. I'm not wearing a pants come out here this morning, you know. I don't wear any pants. So good morning. All my silent watchers, good morning. So this morning I have a lot to get done. I wake up the place and things. While the puppy glad to see me. Hey! The puppy glad to see me. Look at this one, Tommy. She's sitting down. Notice when I come outside, the phone cool down. Anyways, we're going to make close them and spread them out on the line. We have goats, so this is where the goats feed out and stuff like that. We not carry them go a bush and them something there, so we look the grass and carry it come and them eat. So we have a ackee tree. The ackee tree I put on new leaf, so that is why the place is like this. So the ackee leaf every morning we have to rake up. We have to rake up at morning time. So that the leaf them the grass them where the goat not eat or something. Break them up and put them aside to burn. We burn them and thing. Yeah. So it's a beautiful morning on the outside. You know. Birds. Can't hear the birds chirping and thing. Can't hear the birds chirping. Them they're all about. Me say when you go down at the bottom down there, so down there so you hear the birds them. Oh my. You hear the birds chirping. Down there so you hear the birds. So this is the ackee tree. Yeah, so the sun come up from over that side. That's where the sun rises from. Over on that side. Yeah. So me just there I go and rake up and thing and prepare myself for, you know, whatever work I have to get done today and thing. So that's what I'm doing. That's where we're gonna put the pile of grass that the goat didn't eat because they're gonna be getting fresh grass this morning and stuff. So that is it. Yeah. So to do what I'm doing, I'm just gonna put the phone down and thing. I'm just gonna put it down and thing. Just gonna put the phone down so I can do what I gotta do. Do what I gotta do. I have things to get done right about now. I'm telling you, the time flies so fast. You know, by the time you're there, son, I do something, you know, by the time you look, the time gone. We use the broom and sweep off the concrete right here, so. So I just use the rake and just rake up this place. So I get do it again. You guys can probably see the birds passing or so. Yeah, the parrot. Hey, that's the parrot. That's the parrot making noise. Thank you for joining my live. Today here I rake up some grass and some leaf will fall off of the tree, the ackee tree. I'm gonna go for the classes. Somebody have some clothes as well to put out on the line. Here the parrot. Parrot the next door. Hey, leave it pan. You want water? One parrot the next door over one yard. Hi, how are you? Hi, Juba. Good morning. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. How are you? Hope all is well. Thanks for joining my live. And the Q&A is here. Like the taste of tap water. Well, the tap water, it not taste bad enough, but I used to love tap water. I used to love tap water at one point in time. But guess what happened now? The tap water, that's the pipe water, right? The tap water, it have too much chlorine in it. That's one. And I would say it makes my tummy hurts, so I don't drink it anymore. I have to buy water. Yeah. I remember once, me even have that fun. Good morning, Sim Sim. How are you? Thank you for joining. I'm still here. Thank you, someone. I didn't realize that you're here. Thank you so much for joining. I didn't realize. Hi, Jones. How are you? Good morning. Someone, thank you so much. Juba and Jones, thank you so much. You know, me did I looking at the comment section, Simone, but me never realized. Yeah, good morning. Oh, me never got to the top. That's why. Blessings, sis. Thank you so much. And Juba say hello. Yeah. Someone saying hi to Juba. Yeah, blessings, my dear. My darling Juba. Yeah. I was here long time, LOL. Yeah. Lord Jesus, blessings, Jones from Simone. Yeah, me there just, me did have the phone in my hand one at the time, you know. But it kind of awkward for wake up with the phone in my hand. So me put down the phone now because this dress that me have on, you know, you understand? Me can't really, yeah, so me just put the phone here, so yeah, and then me I wake up otherwise. Yeah, yeah. So Joan saying hi to someone. Yeah. So me there here I go on, you know. There here me just did a do some raking up. Me there here did a rake up, you know. And me have some clothes that me I go put on the line. Right, you know. So me did a rake up the place. Yeah. I was waking up. Look at this birdie. I was waking up. So me make some pile right there. Some heap, you know. So I'm going to take them up when me done and put them over that side, over there. So, yeah. Watch out. One next bird again. I throw the rice, give the dog them. The dog them get feeding already this morning already. So the birds coming down now to get something to eat as well. So that is it. The birds coming as well to get something as well. Yeah, so me just there a wake up and there I go on. Thank you guys so much for joining. So in the morning before me do anything else, sometimes I come out here and try to rake out the place. Because we have one ackee tree right here, so we're a multa that drop off the ackee them. And our dogs are expecting right now. This one are the first time she got a puppy. Yeah. This one, pit bull. You see the spots them on her. Her father is a pit bull. One pit bull of her father. So you know say she gonna have like mixed breed puppy. See the spots? Yeah. So she mix. I know Lucy is her grandmother. Her mother passed away because good while now, some years ago, she got out a road and she got hit down. So Lucy, see Lucy puppy, oh she nice. So Spot puppy as well is going to be nice as well because Spot mixed with pit bull and she mixed with Lucy kind, yeah, and things. So fair puppy them are going nice too as well. Lucy is also expecting, so we're gonna have like 2 sets of puppies here in the yard. God spare our life when they comes. You know, say me have to go Google that cause me no know how long a dog take for before the puppies are ready to, when them give birth and stuff like that. Me always dead and when me look, me see the dog have puppy. Me I watch her, but me normally, and I mostly when rain fall, she have puppy, Lucy. Mostly when rain fall, she have puppy. And she want a puppy like, she have puppy in some places like under the cellar. Because I guess she hide them. So when them get big, no one can come out. That's when you're gonna see them. Or if you can look under the cellar and spot them, you can. Yeah. So that's how you're gonna see her puppies. But me no know where's how Spot a go, where she a go do eventually. I don't know if she's gonna do the same or maybe she'll do things a little different from her grandmother. We will see. This one is sleeping. Yeah. So after me heap it up like this now, I have to take them up and bring them over that side over there, so where my son put that heap right there, so when the night come down and stuff like that, we can burn them, run mosquito. Yeah. Use them and run mosquito. So this is some gravel when I'm supposed to use to the bottom of the cube and thing, and some sand for the bottom of the cube. So here so now some grass there so them cut from far down so far down the road for put on the coal skill down a bush way down so. We have a big coal skill down there where them are go burn. So them grass it already. So the rest of the grass there. So them have to like cut grass far down the road and get one vehicle to carry it. Here so did high with grass, you know guys. High with grass and thing. So them carry it down at the bottom, and when we go down there, they cover the I have a video where I go post. They cover the coal skill already with grass. So them a dig up like dirt, same place to put on it, but them have to wet the grass first. So me hear them say them have to wet the grass first and then to put the dirt over it. So that when them light it now, it won't burst. Cause you know the coal skill normally burst when you light it. It normally burst. As soon mango time and all these things. Soon mango time. Soon mango time. Mango time I come up guys. Whole heap of mango I go there. East Indian right now we have like guava. The guava tree full of guava. Let me show you. Guava tree full of guava. I have like a whole heap. I don't know if the Wi-Fi I go have like bad connection or right now I saw one big one on it. One big one. So let me show you guys. See? Pear guava the on the tree. Hear the fire. So one big guava here. One big guava. But I'm not ready to pick it yet because it's green same way. Normally like pick it when it ripe. Some more up in the tree. Some more up in the tree. Whole heap up in the tree, guys. Whole heap of guava. Whole heap of guava we have. Well, I have more guava tree than this, you know, but true. We have merengue as well, merengue tree around here. And soursop tree, coconut tree, and all them something there. Yeah. So I stand up underneath the guava tree. Under the guava tree. So when the rain fall now, them ripe and you know them get big. Them guava here are some big guava. Yeah. This one. This is the pear tree we are talking about. The pear tree here, it not start bear yet. And it there for probably say maybe 1 3 year now. The pear tree here there, you know. Me dying to see put out one pear upon it. No sir. Me dying to see put out one pear. I tell you. I dying to see one pear upon the tree. I can't see none. Lord of mercy. Yeah, for real, for real. Dying to see the pear tree of one pear. You know them cut off the top right because it did go over the house. But I'm telling you, I can't wait to see it of one pear. Very pretty. Someone say it will be in the background, my darling. Okay, Sim, thank you. Yeah. Guys, I'm still working on watch hours. I'm telling you. Still working on watch hours. Yeah. Working on watch hours still. The sunlight. Probably we can see some birds. Hey, maybe we can see some birds. Yeah. Still working on watch hours. But realize so when me dey outside with the phone it not overheat. Once the time cool, it don't overheat. Yeah. Hey, not overeat now. It's not overeating now. Come hear the bird. Oh, I'm parking. I think maybe it's trying to communicate with the other birds. Or maybe it's trying to get a higher bird like itself to come over to say hi. Yeah, so I spread out tours, guys. Spread it out tours. You know, I put none in the middle of the line because through me have the food right there, so sun come out nice and pretty, so you know me I try catch the sun. Try catch the sun from now. So this is my pond. Yeah. When you're there country, you have to carry a pan, a clothes, go a river, go wash, and carry it come up. Look how far you live, you know. If per se you live maybe way up the road and the river then way down the road far, you know, you just tell yourself, say, yeah, no water in their yard. You have it. Because if the rain not fall, you know, some places, if the rain don't fall, you not have no water. You have to go for water, or, yeah, you have to go for water. River, spring, or you wait till, or when the rain fall, you have drums outside set up around the house, and you wait till, well, when the rain fall, you have water. Yeah, because sometimes we have like weather in the country, so you have water them time there when it's weather. Yeah, but otherwise from that, you have to carry your pan on your head. Yeah, I saw them help up the pan, you know, and put it on the head like this. But remember them days there, you know, and put it on their head so, and then walk with the pan, walk with the pan, walk with the pan. Sometimes you have like also one pan on your head. You have one pan on your head, and you have one pail in your hand, and you have to hold the pan with one hand and hold the pail. Oh gosh, man. Up the hill, you know, me I tell you, you know. Yeah, Jesus. Me used to go one part named down a Edman Gully. Yeah, them time there, me live a desire. Yeah, up at them the place they appear hill. And me I tell you, say, you can't manage when you go down a Edman Gully. It's like a spring thing, you know. Up over there, you know, water cold. Yeah. So I say it's set up. But you know you have to wash, so you still. Remember one time I carry my son. Yeah, carry my son go down a one next part. Remember what them call it so. And down there so you normally wash. If you not go down at the spring part, you wash down there so. And when the rain set up for fall, oh gosh. So when the rain set up for fall, you hear thunder roll or something. Hey, you have to make your come out cause what? Appear dirt, a dirt road, uphill. So when you go up the hill, you know, you ever hear them say the hill stand up? Yeah, the hill they stand up, me I tell you, you see when time you look, you have to hurry up and try and make it a go over the hill, before the rain start fall hard. Yeah, so you have to do it. You have to hurry up. Mm-hmm. Because you don't want rain catch up on the road with a small child. Yeah, him did about them time them did about like one plus, but him active, he could have walk and so 1 plus 2 plus. We are go a river go wash. Go a river go wash my love. Mm-hmm. No water. I want to do that first. So I'm going to take you out and jump. Something they can use. So about the tap water, guys, I as a Q&A say, more than drink the tap water right now because tap water, I would say it's not for drinking right now. You can use the stuff, but you can't drink it. You can't drink it because it will make you have diarrhea, hurt your belly. Yeah. So at one point in time, I used to drink it, and it never used to do me nothing. And then one at a time, I realized my belly started hurt me or something. From that, belly hurt me, and then I realized I have diarrhea. Yeah, give me a piece of diarrhea, dude. Hmm? Give me a piece of diarrhea, give me a tell you. Diarrhea for days. Have diarrhea for days, me I tell you. Diarrhea for days. For like 1 week. 1 week. I go in at the next week. Yeah. Me have to send go by. Thank God for rehydration salt. Me say, me have to send go by rehydration salt, guys. But one thing nowadays, people are normally like take rehydration salt, But me I tell you, say, them 1 year them have now, it tastes like the one where them used to give you before. Them have them flavored now, right? Them have flavored one nowadays. You can get a coconut tasting one. I'm say, wow, this not taste bad. Tastes like coconut water. Yeah. And you have one that will taste like orange juice. Them have like different flavor. And that is so good because, you know, when you drink it, you just drink it and yeah, cause it not taste bad again. Yeah, it not taste bad again. You can't drink. So at that me take and get me better the rehydration salt. So from that, me not drink no more pipe water again. I stop drinking pipe water from them time then. I don't drink no more. If first day me not have no bottled water and if me not have no bottled water and me have to drink it, me boil it. Boil it and make it settle and then me just pour out when me pour it out of the pot and put it to cool in the fridge. But you can't drink it straight from the pipe like that. Because it have hurt me belly. Yeah, drink it straight from the pipe. Yeah, drink it straight from the pipe. Must finish put out the meal now. We still have a couple more to put out, you know. Some here mash it. Come in guys, we have our next set of clothes. And I'm nothing about I wash these separate and then I have the other set for myself and so. But I gotta take up and put on the Hear the birds chirping. Out here nice a morning time. See, I me go down and look here. Me have to go put on. One night time when me have data on the phone, me I go down a bottom down there, so guys, and do a live down there. In the early morning. Man, I down there so you hear the birds them a chirp. Me say me post one video the other day. And the amount of birds me hear in the background down there so loud with the birds them down there so. Yeah, birds like wow, you hear them just a chirp, a chirp, a chirp. Yeah, me no know, me love Mother Nature. Yeah, I'm telling you, I love Mother Nature. Mother Nature is so lovely. It's nice, you know. God is so good. When he created all this, let me say it again. God is so good when he created all this for us humans and the animals and everything to enjoy the beautiful ray of the sun. You know, different animals, different birds. Yeah, you know, because back in the days when there wasn't any TV and all these things, these are the things we as humans enjoy. Mother Nature, the beautiful flowers all about the place. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah. Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. Hi, sis. Where are where are your glasses? These your glasses you want to fix, my love. Me not have no glasses right now. My glasses less. My glasses less. You notice me I look on the chat, you know, but me can't really see what I go on pan it. Me can see the screen, you know, but the words, me have to use the glasses to see it better. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Hi, Max. Hi, the eye opener. The eye opener and Max. Thank you for joining. Like done. Thank you for the like. Yeah. So I bring you guys outside this morning to enjoy the beautiful trees and the birds chirping and all these things. Guys, me there spread out some clothes on the line. Yeah. The sun come out beautiful. Even the goats are enjoy the sunlight, you know? The goat, yeah. And the dogs, them relax and, you know, a warm sun. So guys, just go and take in the, you know, we have mango tree. The mango trees now, them a put out them blossom, them have like 1 and 2 mangoes on it already. But it's not fully mango time as yet, but some of the trees have mangoes on it. Yeah, we have merengue, we have guava, we have soursop tree, we have banana planting tree. Yeah, we plant up some pineapples, but hopefully they will come. Yeah, and we have plant up some stuff down at the bottom down there so too as well. And we have a big coal skill down there where them soon burn, you know. Guys, I'm gonna make you see what I go on with the coal skill as well. Yeah, down there nice. Down at the bush down there, so. Oh gosh. It was a fish pond before, you know. It was a fish pond and then, you know, so when you go down the hill, it's still dig out and things same way, but what we do, we just plant, we plant up some stuff in it. And you know the maca trees them grow up. So we cut them down and use it to burn coal. Yeah. You know, coal is a good business, you know. You see, from you have the mindset to do it, and it's hard work, but from you have the mindset to do it, you can use it and, you know, have an income from it and all these things. So otherwise from that we are plant up some, we have pumpkin down there I come all the way down at the bottom down there. We have nice pumpkin coming up on tree, pumpkin tree, and we have plant up some potato slip, sweet potato. We have some more pumpkin where we plant up down there, and we have plant corn, we have plant, guys, I'm telling you. Sunday I carry up some banana trees we plant down there, and I plant corn and them something there. So guys, when I go see it, when I go back and do the video again, I may have one video when I do already, but I not post it yet. But I go down there and get that clippings as well to go with the one that I have already, and you're gonna see guys how it looks. Yeah. So over the weekend, I think maybe we can get like maybe probably a 1 day plan or so. Put on the phone, and when we go down there, we can do one live. Make you guys see down there how down there look. You know, just right on spot and alive. You know, we can just take in the birds down there. Down there so full of mother nature, guys. Those peer birds yeah here. You see like how you hear them up here so? Them louder down the bottom down there so. The birds. Yeah man, them louder down there so. Mm-hmm. Them sound louder down there so. When I realize when I watch over about the video, I say wow. Because I tell you say you know, when we go down there it's like persons will live over upon the, because you know people live nearby, but me I say, whoa, when me I play about the video now, me I say, whoa, I saw the birds them did a chirp loud in the background. So nice, me I tell you. Silent watchers, how are you? Good morning. Hope all is well. My silent watchers, big up yourself. Thank you for joining my live this morning. Yeah? Thank you all guys in the comment section as well. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, I'm gonna do my lives in the morning back again, yeah. Cause you know shift change, so I'm gonna try and see if I can do a live in the morning and things like that as well. Yeah, you know. Sometimes the thing is this, you know. Sometimes you're kind of busy and things such as that, but shift change, so now I can do a live in the mornings. But I tell you the truth, sometimes not every day you feel up to it to do a live in the morning. Sometimes you just want to stay in your bed. That side of thing. But, you know, the morning live is very nice. Yeah? I love the morning live. The 6 p.m. live as well. I also do a 2 a.m. live, guys, as well. But from last week, I haven't done a 2 a.m. live because I'm so tired. I slept, and that is it. So probably tonight, let's see if we can. The thing is this, last night I wanted to do one, but I didn't get to do it because I was trying to create the thumbnail, but it wasn't working out because they said I should always put up a thumbnail, right? So may I try to create the thumbnail, and the something I say may have to wait because me use up all of the word name that we may have, right? So while I was there waiting and waiting, I fall asleep and me not get to prepare. So me say okay, me I go just probably do a live in the morning also, you know? So guys, sometimes it can be challenging at times, but you have to just be patient and just work with what you have and stuff like that. Yeah. Our next cow come over again. Yeah. So that is it. That is it. So for me, the time kind of feel cool this morning. That's why my phone I keep up and thing. I don't know where them flyer come from. Actually, we have goat still. We have goat. And so mango time. You know when you see fly? Mango time. You see when a mango time, them say alligator. Them say alligator. When them say alligator, when alligator something another, you see one heap of fly. So mating season for alligator or something like so. Yeah. So me there a go on, you know. Just a go on. Out here feel cool and nice. The air is fresh and things like that. Guys, I'm telling you. The birds are just having a wonderful time. Yeah. Chirping all over and enjoying the sun and the beautiful greenery. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. So there you are going. some more water finishing in that drum here. There is no water in that drum right now. The water is finished. Thank you for the like, guys. Yes, so me there are gone. There are gone. My puppy asleep. Sleeping away. And Lucy. You know, they might enjoy the sun. Enjoy little sun. Thank you guys for joining this morning, yeah? Thank you so much for joining. So that's the other puppy. She's also relaxing. So here so look better than how it did stay before. Let me see if I can show you guys the birds. All the way over there. That's how we name the tree. What you call it? Tambourine tree. Wow, can see the bird just fly a while ago. Bird in at the top of the tree. This is nice. Fly. Next one fly. You know the birds them they always is like it always have a pair. A pair of birds, you know? Always have a pair. You have like lots of the same bird, but they always have a pair. Always have a pair. It is nice here. The sun is up now more. As you can see, and there goes the coconut tree. Guys, you know, I have the theme song now for the channel and all these things. Yeah, watch this bird. Wonder if me I see him. Oh, see him there. Like the other day when I go for my daughter from school. I don't know, I was there sitting down. You know, some little birds were there, and I'm telling you, can you believe it? The bird passed and pooed on me. Yeah, some little birdie. The bird, I feel one little cold something for me hand, you know. I say what that. When me look, I want little yellow something I see for my hand. The bird pooed on my hand. Can you believe it? I'm telling you. This bird, that bird there always come down on the ground. Come down on the ground for like feed and stuff like that. So this bird is a bird where love come down on the ground. But sometimes the dog rush the bird and something. Yeah, the sky is nice, beautiful this morning. Sky looks good. Very fair. No clouds until later. No clouds until later. Oh. Yeah, so good morning, guys. Hope all is well on your side. Yeah. There I go and do some little chores in the morning here. Yeah. Doing some chores. Coconut tree. Have one coconut on it. Yeah. Yeah. You know, sometimes birds in there as well. Sometimes bird in there. Mm-hmm. 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 So, oh, the birdie there right there, so. And the guava limb. Sunfly out here doing now. Sunfly them enough. Out here nice in the mornings. Nice in the day as well. But you know, outside here so cool in the early morning. And you know, the time just nice. It's a nice, you have like a nice vibe when it comes on to outside. While leave a job. I'm just try to wake up. Yeah. Sky look nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Blue sky. Yeah? All of the sky I saw it stay, you know. See there? Whole sky look fair this morning. Yep. Bird up in the treetop again. Oh, some fly gone there. A bird they love up in the treetop. Them two they right there so. One fly. I come back. He not going without the other one, you know. Not leaving without the other one. Yeah. Sunfly. Not leaving without the other birdie. One fly gone. Come back. Oh, them just enjoy the little sunlight and fly around and, you know, enjoy themselves in the tree. So that is a tambourine tree over there. Tambourine tree. Yeah. It's nice. So guys, for me right now, I'm gonna go on the inside because I have some things to get done. Yeah, so you know, one love and enough respect from A and I. A and I, they are still at work for watch hours. Me I tell you, the watch hours them hard to come by. I remember one point in time when me I go live often. Go live often, guys. And me I tell you, say, to some extent, it was working. But, you know, to how me used to go live often, me think, say, well, then, me would have reached there already. But I guess not. So, yeah, still working on watch hours. Same way. But, you know, we give God thanks for life. Life are the greatest thing and things. So, giving God thanks for life and giving God thanks for, you know, you amazing people who normally comes, you know, stop in to say hi, and my awesome community who normally comes on a regular basis to support me, and my new persons who come over and say hi, and my content creator co-workers who normally comes over to support me as well. Yeah, thank you so much. You know, I appreciate you guys so much for taking the time out to come over and support me. Yeah, cause you know, if you don't want to, I would say you didn't have to, but you want to, so you do it, you know. Yeah. Alright, so one guava here now. This is a guava. Hi, my Chinese friend. Good morning. How are you doing? So this is one of the guava guys that come off of the tree. Me say if you see the inside of it, if you see the inside of it, you would say something else. I eat one yesterday, I'm gonna eat that one here. So I'm gonna wash it first. Wash it yesterday already, you know, but true, you know, it the here, so no. If anything crawl on it. So the unshrub. Very pretty. Tastes good. It is good to eat a fruit in the morning, guys. It have a sweet and a little soury. So I would say it kind of works on your taste buds. A sweet and a soury taste. You got me come want, you know. You tell I'm back in the kitchen like because so that was good. Get that buckle here from my mother. One long time. She get something and she grandfather did that to him at the time. I don't know. You know that me have it. I still a keep it. I love my mother dearly. I'm telling you. Still I keep the bottle, guys. Still I keep the bottle. I think a sugar she did put in it, you know, and give me. So I wash it yesterday. I wash the bottle because I use it as a sugar bottle. So I wash the bottle yesterday and thing put sugar. And sometimes you have like a big pack of sugar, and you know what, the picnic them go, they just throw it out and thing. You just put some in that and just use it that way there. Guys, may I tell you, say, you see from your know, say, well, then your mother carry you for 9 months, still love your mother same way, you know, because she didn't have to carry you for 9 months, you know. So from she carry you for 9 months, still show love, still show love same way. Because if I even that alone she do for you, she do something. The goat get wet. Hey, the goat get wet. If it is even that alone, she do, my love, she do something for you, you know. So gratitude is a must. Gratitude is a must. Sorry, go up and make me a belch. Yes. I rinse up 2 little plate or something, you know. Wash up my 2 little plate, them and thing, guys. You know, thank you so much for joining and supporting my Chinese friend. Big up yourself, guys. Me I work on watch hours and thing, so you know, the year I work on watch hours or something. Working on watch hours. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this down here, so because and just go and do what I have to do, and in the meantime we can still talk. If the phone is shut off, and you know sometimes the phone here funny, you know, it overeats. The morning was cold this morning, so it never really give me no problem this morning. But otherwise from that it have a time and it just nasty. Once the time hot. Once the time is hot. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse up some plate. It's not a lot, it's just like 2 little items, you know. And then I'm gonna press my daughter's uniform to go to school. So guys, happy Tuesday. Hope you enjoy your Tuesday. And thank you so much for joining and spending some time with A and I this morning. I appreciate you guys so much. All the persons who have been watching my shorts, thank you so much. All the persons who have been watching my videos, thank you so much. All the persons, whether you're returnees or you're new, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. Persons who see the community post and check it out, thank you so much guys. The merch is still there. The merch is still there. The merch is still there, guys, in the community post. Yeah, so I pinned the link where that yellow shirt is. So when you go in the chat, you'll see the link. You can go over and check out the shirts and things like that. Yeah. So once you touch on that link from over on that side in the community post, you can go and check out the merch, see the stuff that is there and things like that. I don't want to maybe I don't know if I'm supposed to put up anything more, some different stuff in the merch store, because the storefront in our way we want to see if per se these start selling and stuff like that before I put up anything more. Don't want to put up anything more, to all the persons who have been checking out the merch, thank you so much as well for checking it out. I see you guys checking out the merch. Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate you all. Yep. And thank you for joining my live this morning. Hope you have a great day today. Wait. I wash the cup and the water just to me put the sponge down in there. Sponge thingy with the Scotch Brite on it. We just splash right out on me. I still have a cook curry chicken and white rice. Today. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna cook today. I'm not sure. Not sure what will be having today. There are also prepare everything. bottle of water did finish. The blue bottle is empty, so what me do, me just boil the water. Boil it down in the fridge. Yeah, man, so water. A little from now. Yes, guys, hope your day will be great. I don't go live later on in the if per se me can do well if the internet still up, if them fix it, if it fix now, we can do a live later on. Watch hours, guys. Watch hours. My phone battery is going down. Silent watchers, how are you doing? How is your mind? So guys, if you're looking for watch hours, you know you can make somebody run a playlist and things like that. Yeah, let somebody run a playlist. Let them can just put it on them phone or them TV. You know, people TV nowadays have connected to them Wi-Fi thingy, so them can run it on them TV or something. But you cannot watch it, meaning from the same account as your channel account. You will be losing. You will be losing watch hours, and it wouldn't count. It wouldn't count if you're gonna watch it. If you're gonna watch it yourself on your same account, it wouldn't count, right? You wouldn't be getting those watch hours, and you would be your little watch hours that you have already, you would be losing your little watch hours that you have already. So you have to like watch from a next device that has a different account, you know, like somebody in the family ask them to watch your playlist, ask them to run your playlist for you, you know, tell them you're working on watch hours, and ask them if they can watch a playlist or watch a few live stream for you, or you know, videos and stuff like that. Tell them you're working on watch hours and you need the support. Please and thanks. Tell them please and thanks if they can help you out with, you know, achieving your goal. Sometimes you have to ask them, and if you not ask them, you're not gonna get them do it. If you don't ask them, you have to ask them. So maybe say each night, then can run probably one for you when they're going to bed. Or if they have like more than one device, you know, them can run it for you on their devices. Sometimes them I use them phone, so them now go on you put it on the phone. So if them have a laptop, a computer, ask them to run it on it for you, so you can get the watch hours. They can get the watch hours up. Sometimes, you know, you want to try and help yourself, but that wouldn't count if you're gonna watch from your like your same channel account. It wouldn't count. So ask family members and friends to support you on this journey. Yeah. And see who would oblige you to do so, you know. Most of the time we don't really have anyone to help. Yeah. But you know, you never can tell. Ask and see what. Ask and find out if they can help. If I yes, I yes, and if I no, I no. You know? If I yes, I yes, and if I no, I no. Some persons only have one device, you know, and they don't want to help other persons, we get them watch hours, but you know, when you watch from your device, you realize that your watch hours still going down because at the same device where you have your channel on. But if per se you switch account, me no know, it probably still a tamper with the watch hours same way when you switch the account, same way. So it is best to watch from a different device with a different email. That means say your channel something on the front of the device, then not all. That way there it's better that way. Yes, so let me finish up doing what I'm doing and then we can I'm gonna press my daughter uniform, set on the water to make some tea and tell her so this morning we did have a make her ear wash. So yeah, for the week I can get the ear wash and comb. So pick it up in a tool. Pick it up in a tool this morning to go to school. Lord, I lift your name on high. Lord, I lift your name on high. Hi, silent watchers. Good morning. In the water boiler can make it cooler. The water there it has the boiler, the tap water as the Q&A say, the tap water, pipe water. Once it boils properly, it not do your belly nothing. But you see, if you don't boil it, like I said, you know, you set on the water on the fire, right? And you just make the water hot and you don't boil it, it hurts your belly. But you say you make it boil, it not do your belly nothing when it boils. Because I guess the bacteria boil out of the water. Yeah. Because even though them put, because I think that water is the river water, you know. Them just filter it and use it in the pipe. Yeah. So. Let's set up. Some people drink it still and it not do them nothing. Some people use it and make them belly hurt them. Especially if a person, if per se you was living in the country or you leave country and come up to spend time and you drink the pipe water, it make your belly hurt you. Because you're not used to drink the water there. So it make your belly hurt you. But if per se you're living in St. Catherine and you normally drink the pipe water, you're used to it and it not do your belly nothing. Yeah. Because some people drink it and it not do them belly nothing. Me used to drink it. I used to drink it and it at one point in time the water tastes so good and something. I remember when I was working down where I was working at the time, there was this lady working with us, and she said, carry some of my water, because the water with them have down there, it not taste good. They come out of that pipe there. So she said, if you carry one buckle of your water come, let me test it. And the water here so at one point in time tastes so good, me I tell you. But nowadays, me don't know what the water not nice like how it did nice them time there. Me don't know what happened. But the water was great them time there. And them time there never used to give my belly nothing. Never used to give my belly nothing them time there when me used to drink it. I just one of the time I drink it and I realize, oh, year before last year, I think a year before last year, it gave me a piece of diarrhea for nearly for 1 week. And alright, call it the first week run off from when it start. The Sunday me get dinner and me tell him say me no want no whole heap of dinner. Me did really not feeling well because of the pipe water. Me couldn't really walk go far. Me weak out and something. And you know, you can't walk go far because you have to stay close to the bathroom. Yes. And me I tell you, say, the Sunday morning, the Sunday when me get my dinner, me tell him, say, look here, I want a little bit of dinner me want because me can't manage to eat no whole heap of food. Them time, you know, sometimes when you feel well, you can't eat no whole heap of food. So, but the food did nice, but me couldn't eat no whole heap of food at the time. So I just want to a little bit. Hi, good morning, Special. How are you? Hi, Special. Hello. How are you doing? Thank you for joining. How are you? How is your day going? How is your day going? How is your day going? Hope all is well, my pretty. How are you? Happy to see you. Hope your day going well. How is everybody? Hope all is well, my lovely. Hope all is well. Thank you so much for joining. You know, I know your day supposed to brush afternoon right now and thing. Because you're way ahead of us. Thank you so much, my pretty, for joining. I appreciate you. Yeah. I appreciate you all. Guys, this is Special K. Yeah. So, big up everybody in the chat as well. And big up Special K for joining. I appreciate you, pretty. I am at work, so I can't stay. Yeah, I know it's far ahead. It's 2 p.m. Yeah. I know you're there far ahead of us. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. I know you can't stay long with you. I know you're at work. But you know, thank you so much for stopping in. I appreciate you, yeah? Then you'll wash up some plate and something. After 7, I brush 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. After 7, I brush 8 o'clock. 8 now? Yeah, little bit after 8. Love you guys. Love you, Special. Love you. Love you, sweetie. Love you. Yeah. No problem. Take care, mama. Take care too, Special. Thank you so much. Yeah. Big up yourself, yeah? And have a great rest of your day. Yeah. Tell my little pretty I said hi. Yeah. Yeah, man, so me there here at one. There I sit up and look up from now. Me have to go up on the road. Carry my daughter to school. Yeah. So I carry her to school. Look up from now. Yeah, man. For real, for real. Take care, sis. Okay, Sim Sim. Take care, hon. See you later. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. See you later, sweetie. One love. And one day I go and prepare myself to go up on the road. I have to go on the road look up from now because my daughter goes. I'm going to wake her up too because you know sometimes children, you know when they hear if you come and there's something they don't like come they hear. I don't know. I don't know. Thank you for the heart emoji, Sim Sim. Thank you so much, my darling. Yeah. Love you. See you later. Tell my little banana nose hi. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm there I wash up from something. And enough me I wash up, you know, but straighten up and, you know, prepare to make my way out. So I'll be going on the road. I'll be going on the road in a little while. In a little while. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sis. Yes, Sim Sim. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, so may I say, you know, watch from our next device because your watch hours, you know, you have to try. You know, you work so hard for the watch hours, you have to try to keep them watch hours, right? So that is it. Try to keep them watch hours, guys. Yeah. I watch hours them, you know, come like say, as I get them so them gone. I'm telling you. What? We have to just work on it, and if we are watch, you know, we are watch like go over for support, we have to support from like our next device. So like for me, we can support on the TV, so I'll be supporting on the TV, right? Just to keep my watch hours, yeah, because as you can see, a lot of persons, I'm telling you, a lot of persons help me with watch hours. And me don't know what happened. At one point, the something I said me have 5,100 and something watch hours. That was from last year, sometime last year. But the blue line wasn't showing that at all. But the YT studio was showing that, was telling me that. So me I said then, oh, the blue line no reach nowhere near and thing. So me now me say okay, me go try see how me can, you know, try to keep the watch hours. this time around. So may I try, you know, try figure it out and, you know, try to keep the watch hours them when me go live and when persons help me with watch hours by watching. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. So right there now, me reach in the blue line section, the WH section, that part there. Me reach what now? Yesterday I look at it, it was like 3,910. Yeah. So that's where it reach. So me not know what more go on it there now, but that's where it reach when I look at it yesterday. So thanks to all the persons who have been supporting, and thanks to all my new supporters who will be supporting in advance. Yeah, I appreciate you all. Yeah. What pity nickel?
Brown pipe.
There'll be a walk under one of the limb them down there. So they chop maca, that's why. So them drop off. Them drop off for you. You notice I don't really see the black ants them like that again. You did have one, you have bite ants plus you have black ants. You know the black ants them smell away. Yeah, you don't really see them ants there again. The little pretty nickel them take over, you know. And them bite, you don't know if I bite them bite or what them do, cause you don't think I bite them bite. They look like them put something for your skin and it just feel like weird. You don't know what them do to your skin when them go on it. As them go on your skin, so you just feel your skin feel away, like you just feel away. Right at the section where them go on, the skin just have like a, I don't know what them do to your skin when them go on. I can't explain it, I tell you. I can't explain it. But them do something to the skin, but them go on it. So guys, thank you so much for joining my live this morning. I appreciate you all. I'm gonna get my daughter up to now so that I can close her ear and get it done. She did from Sunday, but true, she never really want to get her ear washed. So I did just comb it. But you know, it's supposed to wash. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for supporting. Enough respect. See you guys later on. Tata for now. Until later.